Hey guys, it's Adrienne from Crafty Little Gnome, and today I am going to teach you how to make an all-natural mole repellent using dish soap and castor oil. So this repellent is going to get rid of moles, voles, gophers, and anything that will burrow into your lawn and make those big, ugly, brown dirt holes and hills that you see in the middle of your nice lawn. So this repellent isn't going to kill the moles, but the moles don't like it. So for this, I'm using castor oil. I got this from Rite Aid. It's just regular castor oil. I guess it's meant to be used as a laxative, but we're definitely not using it for that. We're going to use it for the mole repellent. And this is Dawn dish soap. You don't have to use Dawn, but it works really well. Any kind of dish soap will work. I've got a whole blog post on my blog, Crafty Little Gnome, that has at least 20 different uses for Dawn dish soap. You can use it for things like laundry or pest repellent. So it's a really good thing to have in your pantry to use in addition to just washing your dishes. We have a big plastic bin with a lid that fits, and this is a 3-quart jug. It fits 12 cups of water, and I just bought this at Dollar Tree. The other thing we need is measuring spoons, so we're going to be using the 1 tablespoon measuring spoon and a kettle of hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling, just warm. It's just going to help mix everything together better than it would if it was cold. So this is a 6-ounce bottle of castor oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the whole thing in. And what it does to the moles is when they're burrowing, we're putting this solution into the soil, like on top of your grass, and it'll soak in. And when the moles go and burrow and they eat it, or they eat bugs and stuff that are covered with it, it's going to upset their stomach. They don't like the taste of it. It makes them feel not good, and it makes them itchy. So they just don't like it, and they will learn to stay away from your yard. So after I've got the oil in, I'm going to fill it the rest of the way with the hot water. And after that, I'm going to put in the soap. So I didn't put the soap in first because once you add the water, it'll get really bubbly, and you'll make too much suds. So we're going to do 1, and 2. Now you just put the lid on your container and give it a little shake. And there you go. So you're going to let it cool a little bit. If it's too hot, it's just harder to work with on your hands and stuff and holding the container. What you want to do is put it into a sprayer bottle that attaches right to your hose, and you're going to spray it all over your lawn. So you want to put it on all the areas that the moles are going into. And if there's any mole holes that you have already, you can just go ahead and pour it directly into the hole. So it'll go down and you know that it's getting into their little tunnels. After about a week, you can redo the whole process, make another batch of it, and respray. And after 2 applications, all the moles should be gone from your yard. If they come back in a couple weeks, you can just keep doing it again if there are any left. So you want to put this solution on in early spring before the moles start reproducing and it gets out of control. It'll help deter it for the rest of the season. And there you have it. It's a super easy 2-ingredient recipe for moles. Just dish soap, and castor oil. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.